Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Now at the end,
That's the thing, sir.
at the end of at the
Arun, actually,
Yes,
we
sir.
were talking about grammar. We are talking right now. We are talking about grammar.
now we
Grammar.
now that
sir.
is
Actually, in India, we are instantly of seeing grammar, sir. In outside, means foreign countries like London, America, and all, they don't know grammar, sir. They only
Yeah, they don't know
they
grammar because like
we don't know
they are
they don't know
that kind
grammar.
of, so they are just listening English.
Grammar is
So everything
a
doing it.
vyakran in Hindi, right?
Yes.
Everybody knows, we don't know vyakran of a grammar, right?
Yes,
see.
that is
Okay,
also
okay.
If you somebody
We can
sabji
again.
wala, you
we
ask
can
ask
take
about
one
the
example.
food and the grammar, he does know grammar of Hindi, sir.
Here we
So,
can take one more
main
example.
point is
Here
to
we can take one more
understand
example.
the thing.
Actually.
What you trying to say only?
See, listen to me, everybody, please. Here we can take one more example. See, why I'm saying that grammar is not very important to speak English fast like that. You know that in a communication, if you want like fluent in English, then you don't need grammar. Why? I'm telling you, just listen to me. With this example, you can understand it. Like if you take example, like if the child is born in India, means that at 5 years when he grow and his age is like he's become 5 years old, at that time he even not attend a single class, he even not go to the school. But without going to school, without attending the school, how they can communicate with their parents,
Yeah.
how they can talk with the people who are there in the surroundings, how they are communicating, how they are talking, we can understand, no? They observe the see
Sir,
they observe
Sir, I
the
have-
people.
sir, I want to. Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello. Yes, sir. But for this matter, I think we need environment or in English speaker people because we don't have environment. That's why we need the grammar rules, grammar structure. If we have environment, so we by listening those people, we can improve our English. We can learn any language. Not in this case, not for English. For any language, but there is a problem with us. We don't have environment. Our mother tongue is Hindi, and so if any person who never went to school, but he can speak Hindi because he have environment, and from his childhood he is observing words. That's why he is able. But we don't have any environment or English speaker. That is a problem. You are right, but sir, if we have environment, so this is possible.
We'll make the
Otherwise,
environment. We'll make the
yeah.
environment. We'll create the environment. Don't worry, and just we have to work on it. And like that, we have to
Yeah.
just go ahead and don't think much about grammar. Grammar is nothing. Grammar is not that much important. Just you need basic grammars. That's all. You have to just
Yeah.
finish it all. Okay. Just
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that you don't need to know deep grammar.
yeah.
You
Yeah,
only
yeah.
knew some models or usable things which we use in our conversation.
Only,
So that
only there's a past, present, and future. Only these things.
Oh my God, great. Present, past, future, that's all. You will speak English past. See the things are coming out. It's kind of, you should do positivity actually. Be positive. Be positive always. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, tell me.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have observed that most of the thing, like 50 to 60%, we have learned from listening or reading, and the rest of the things we
Yeah,
have learned
that's
from grammar. Yeah. So both are the thing are important. I think in my perception, both are the thing are important. In some point, both are the thing are important.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. So just don't worry. And main thing, one more thing you have to take care that be fearless, don't be hesitate, and be shameless, and never feel embarrassed if you do mistake. Now the main
Shameless.
thing is that, yeah,
Sir,
like
sir,
that right
what is
now.
the shameless? What is the point?
Yeah, just I'm telling you now. Be shameless. meaning in Hindi that what I can say, you can understand the same list, and don't feel embarrassed. Do mistake, be same list. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Be
Okay.
cool.
Okay. I am getting your point.
Be same list. Yeah, what the
Yeah,
hell?
yeah.
yaar, everyone just
You-
normal people.
Yeah. You mean that in order to
one more,
in order to
fluency
if it's-
for fluency
Yeah,
English,
yeah.
sir. You okay? Can I say that?
Yeah. Just continue.
yeah. Continue.
Okay. If from morning to evening in your home, you are asking your mother, your wife, or your children, like, मुझे भूख लगी है. ठीक?
Yeah.
To write in your copy, मुझे भूख लगी है. It's English. I'm hungry. और चलो चलें.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
This is because these words are all repeating the words.
Oh, that's
This is
great.
all repeating the word.
Yeah.
The only 3 or 4 sentences or 100 sentences in a day is repeat to another day, sir.
That's
If you
right.
see,
That's
if
right.
you things,
That
if
is why,
you-
na.
if you-
That
if
is
you
why.
see
That is
the
why I
100
had
words,
suggested.
if
That is why
if
I
you
have
tell
suggested
your
to all
mother
the
or
member
your
of the
wife or
group.
children,
No,
just
see,
a
listen
second,
now.
let me complete,
That is
sir.
why. That is why I have suggested
If
to
you-
all that
if you-
just
if you-
go through the common words. Go through the common word. Give first
Common
cover
words.
of those
Yeah,
common
yeah,
words.
common words you write in a copy
That's
and
enough.
repeat
That's
that
enough
word.
for
Read the
beginner.
word.
That's enough for beginners actually. Once you do that, after that you just talk to me that, sir, I have done this now. I have this much of the confidence. Every day I'm
No,
going
no.
getting confidence each and every day like that.
From morning to evening in your office also, office, school, or
Yeah.
residence also, sir. It's a common words.
That's right. That's right. So okay, it's like today we have a very great session and. That's all. It's time like 3, 4. Now it's gonna 4 p.m. So it's evening time. So hope
Okay,
you
okay,
you
okay,
got
okay.
your point. Hope you got your point, Khalid. Hope you get your answer.
Yes, I've got the answer.
And we have to just take care of one thing. See, the ultimate formula at the end. I'm telling you all guys. The ultimate formula is that be shameless. Don't hesitate to make a mistake. Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
if you do mistake, if you make a mistake, don't
Yeah.
don't feel embarrassed at yourself. It's okay, cool man. Don't worry.
Okay.
Let them go to hell. No.
Yeah, sir. Even sir, we do mistake when we speak Hindi also, right?
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
use
yeah.
we can use Hindi as well. No problem. We don't have problem. It's okay. No, that time it's okay. Fine. So ultimate formula with the ultimate formula, just we have to close the session. Okay. The ultimate formula is that do mistakes, don't hesitate, be shameless, and never. If you make a mistake, don't embrace at yourself and just be continue, and make a group, be active in the group, and talk with the friends. And hope you all have joined my group. You all are there in my group.
Yeah.
Everyone is there in
Yes,
my
sir.
group. What?
Yes, sir. I am from the beginning of the group.
Khalid, can I?
Of course.
Have you seen my YouTube channel, Khalid?
Yes, sir. I've seen your YouTube channel, and I've liked one video, one of your videos.
Yeah.
Those you have said, use tongue twister,
Seven-
don't afraid of
Yeah.
mistakes. Yes,
Okay,
7 tips of.
Khalid, what is your? How many subscribers do you have? Like everyone is listening to you. Tell me.
I don't subscribe right now in YouTube because I'm not active. YouTuber in YouTube. I'm not currently using.
But at least how much? How many?
Less than you, I think. Many less than
It's
you.
okay. We all are beginners, so just we don't need to worry.
Thirty.
We all are not at right place. We should to continue our work, and we have to just improve. Okay, guys. Thank you so much to all of you, and thank you. We'll make sure.
Thank you so
guys-
much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much, sir.
everybody. Bye and have a good day. Take care, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Bye.